Have you been trying to use Sora 2, the latest and most powerful video generation model by OpenAI, but couldn't access it because of the invite code restriction? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two amazing websites and one completely free method to use Sora 2 without any invite code and without needing a VPN. So stick around till the end because by the time you finish watching, you'll be ready to create your own realistic AI videos with Sora 2 in just a few clicks. The first website we'll explore is Abacus AI. To access it, simply search Abacus AI in your browser and open the first result. Once you're on the main website, you'll land on its powerful dashboard. At the top, you'll see a list of top AI models like ChatGPT, Cloud Sonnet, Grok 4, and more. What makes Abacus AI special is that it combines all leading AI tools in one place. Whether you need image generation, coding, PowerPoint creation, deep research, video generation, lip syncing, or humanizing tools, everything is available in one seamless workspace. Now, let's move to the video generation section. Here, you'll find a wide range of the latest video generation models, including Sora 2, VEO 3.1, Runway, Luma Labs, and Kling 2.1, all integrated within the same platform. Let's check out Sora 2. You can even use a reference image for more realistic visuals, but for this demo, we'll use the text-to-video option to show its full capabilities. Under Mode, choose between Standard or Pro. We'll go with Pro for the best results. You can create up to 12-second videos, and we'll select a wide cinematic aspect ratio for a professional look. For this example, we'll create a commercial-style video featuring a man promoting his energy drink. After entering the detailed prompt, you can modify it if needed, or click Generate to start. The video begins processing, and when it's done, you can preview the final result. Realistic, detailed, and complete with sound effects for a lifelike experience.
Best energy drink ever made.
Let's try another one. The first video turned out great, so we'll repeat the process with a new prompt. This time, featuring a reporter advertising a new brand. Again, select the Pro model, 12 seconds duration, and hit Generate. Once complete, the visuals look crisp, smooth, and cinematic.
Swirl Sip is taking over teen culture faster than expected. What started as a limited pop-up flavor last month has exploded across social feeds, racking up millions of posts in just days. Videos of teens sipping the pastel cans and...
The quality is truly impressive. To download your video, click the download button at the top. It saves instantly and without a Sora 2 watermark, meaning you can freely use it anywhere. Perfect for creators who want clean, professional results. Here's another quick demo. A realistic crocodile video, similar to the viral clips trending online. And here's one more. An animated style video made using the same steps. Both are visually stunning, detailed, and ready to use for content creation. You can make kids' stories, short films, or creative reels. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's move to the second website, where you can use Sora 2 completely free. This site itself isn't 100% free, but with a few simple steps, you can still access and generate videos without paying anything. The website is called media.io, also known as Media AI. The dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly, offering tools like text-to-video, image-to-video, text-to-image, and even text-to-music generation. You'll also find templates and AI effects to make your videos stand out. At the top, click on the gift box icon. This feature gives you 15 free credits when you sign up. Plus, you can claim more credits daily. These credits are enough to use the Sora 2 model, which only costs 10 credits per video. With daily rewards, you can easily create 1 or 2 videos every day, completely free. Now, let's open the text-to-video section. You can also try image-to-video for more realistic outputs using reference images. But we'll continue with text-to-video for this tutorial. Once inside, you'll see a list of top AI models. Choose Sora 2. There's also a Sora 2 Pro, but that one consumes more credits. Since we are focusing on free access, we'll use the standard Sora 2 model. Let's generate our first video, an animated football match that looks like a cinematic cutscene. After entering the prompt, click Generate and let the system process it. It takes a few moments, but once done, you'll see smooth and visually rich output, perfect for content creation.
Oh, he sold the defender. Still going, number 9. Opens up for the shot, strikes it. Top corner. What a finish.
Now, for our second example, we'll create a CCTV-style clip showing cats sneaking into a house. Enter your detailed prompt, hit generate, and let the model do its work. The result is incredibly realistic, just like an actual security camera recording. And that's it. That's how you can access and use Sora 2 for free through media.io. It's a perfect choice for creators who want to explore advanced text-to-video AI tools without spending money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials on AI tools.